today I'm doing slime.
What colors do you have?
Pink and clear.
Okay, which one you're starting with?
Pink.
Open.
Let's go.
Go, 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 slime. It's not a slime yet, it's just a glue now, but in a second it will turn into a slime. So what should we add to it to be, what is that? Activator,
And
yes.
it's magical.
It's magical liquid called activator. We add it to the glue and it turned into a slime.
I'm gonna do the activator.
You just scoop some. It's open. Just scoop. Yeah. Drop some. Some more. Some more. You can squeeze it a little bit. Okay. Now, with the spoon, you start to mix.
With the spoon, start to mix. It's turning slime, but I need more.
Okay, mixing now. Mix, mix, mix.
I need some more.
We start to see the slime forming. We just need to give it a good mix. And then maybe need some more of the activator. Mixing,
And we'll leave some for the clear.
of course. Are you going to decorate it a little bit? It's
Yeah.
very slimy, look.
I'll do the pink. I'll decorate it after I do the clear one.
Okay, now let's do
Clear
the clear
one.
slime. We open it, then
Just the same.
the same. This is just clear glue. We're gonna add the activator to it and turn it into a slime.
It's doing the oink.
Oink, oink.
Oink.
The
Oink.
bottle is oinking. Oink, 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 oink. It's all done. Now, adding the activator and
They're
mixing.
both clear.
Yes, of course. So,
This one's working already.
let's see.
This one's almost slime.
It is. Keep mixing.
It's already slime.
It is. But you need to mix a little bit more. You need to mix it all together. Now the decoration. What you
Yeah.
adding?
Some sparkles.
Okay. Just open. Tip, 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 tip.
I'm gonna use the other side.
That's fine. Yeah. So you added red. Are you adding another color? Oh, the pink one. Beautiful. Great.
Pink.
Now we're
Purple.
adding purple. And let's mix.
One more color.
Which one?
Another pink.
Oh, the light pink. Great. Good
this one-
job.
It's going all around.
Okay. Now let's mix all these colors and see how the slime will look like. The pink slime is ready. It's very slimy. Wow. You don't want to touch it? It's so slimy. I love it. Do you want to decorate the white one now? The clear one? Let's see what Chris would like to put. Show
We're
us.
gonna put first.
The golden. Wow. Tip, 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 tip. Second will be the other golden color.
It's yellow.
Yeah, the yellow. Tip, tip, tip.
This might fit.
The yellow color. Now. Good. What next? Black. Wow. Nice. Okay, what else? Blue. Wow.
Dark blue.
Dark blue. Very, very dark blue. Good job. What else? Light blue. You're adding lots of colors. Then green. Wow, look at that. This slime will look beautiful with many colors.
The green is almost empty.
That's fine. Then silver with star shapes. Wow, that's bright and beautiful, very shiny. Then white. Which shape is this?
Heart.
Heart. Do you
That's
want
why I'm putting
any?
in the heart.
Do you want any of the red?
Yep.
Okay, some red. Some light pink.
The pink is almost finished.
That's
Some
fine.
Purple. Some purple.
Some purple. Look at this slime. Wow. And last but not least,
The other pink.
the other pink color. Tip, 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 tip.
We can add some extra.
Black. Okay. Okay. I would like also to add some white. Can you open the white for me?
I'm doing pink right now.
Okay, I did open the white. Wow. Shall we mix?
I think we should need some more green.
Okay. Let's add some more. And then we will mix. Wow. The slime will look beautiful. The clear slime is ready.
I like
It's not clear anymore. It's multicolor. It's very slimy. Wow.
I like the white one better. The
Yeah.
clear one. The
Wow.
multi-color one.
Look at
better.
that. It's
Better,
so
but I
slimy.
don't really like it. Both
You don't
of
want to
them.
touch them.
I like the white one, the clear one a bit.
I love this pink. Look, it's so slimy.
Wait, I think I'll touch the pink again.
It's nice.
Oh yeah, I like the pink better now.
Yeah, the pink is so nice. I like both of them.
Spin. Should we mix it?
Oh, yeah. Mix both of them together if you like. Do you want to mix them together? Let's mix them and see. Wow, they all
More
mix.
pinky.
Yes. Yes. They are mixed together. And the slime is ready to play.
Yay! Power on the slime way. It's stuck, help me. Wow. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Bye.
I love this slime.
On the car.